Today I'm going to show you how to make a sprinkle tray bake cake. Firstly, for the cake you will need 300 grams of self-raising flour, 300 grams of margarine or butter, 300 grams of caster sugar, 5 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Firstly, you want to grease and line a baking tray. My tray was 33 centimetres by 23 centimetres and it was 6 centimetres deep. You want to grease the side of your tin with a bit of butter or margarine, and then you want to just line it with some baking paper. Then in a bowl, you want to cream together your sugar and your butter or your margarine. Then add your eggs and mix really well. Then add your vanilla essence and again mix really well. And then add the flour and mix until really well combined and a nice batter has formed. Then you want to pop this into your tray, levelling out as you go. And then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 40 to 45 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Then for our toppings you will need 200 grams of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk and assorted sprinkles. To your icing sugar add your milk and mix until it is all really well combined, and then you should have a really thick icing. Then spread this on top of your now cooled cake, making sure that you cover the entire top of the cake. And then while your icing is still wet, simply sprinkle all those sprinkles over the top, covering it as much or as little as you like. Then just let that icing set slightly, and then once it's slightly set, you then want to cut it into the size pieces that you want. And there you have it. That's how you make a sprinkle tray bake cake.